Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix corrupted files on Windows 10 or 11. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to search box and you just need to write cmd and right click on it and open as admin, right? And the first command that you need to put is cfc/scan now. All right, scan now, and it will take a few minutes to scan your computer, and if there is corrupted files, it will be fixed. And after the scan, I will show you what you need to put next. And after scan is completed, the next command that you need to put is to you just need to put disk this m space/online space/cleanup dash image space slash restore health, right? And then you just need to hit enter, as you can see here. And after it's done, what you need to do here next is to exit command prompt or cmd and restart your computer, and your corrupted files will be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.